Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry, building techniques, and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
I've peeled all the tape off, and it looks pretty good. I have gone ahead and used the paint marker to go around the perimeter of the white where it did peel off a little bit, and it looks pretty good. If you have the need to do white, what I typically do is I take the white paint, spray it in a little container, the lid works fine, and then just touch it up using a small paintbrush. That's pretty easy to do. At this point, we're ready to start gluing the details on. We talked about this earlier in a previous video. These ullage motors are going to go right here on the little flat parts. And then these fairings right here, they go on the part right here like that. And we're just going to glue them on with super glue.